So we have lots of different integrations. Maybe the chief among them is the OpenAI integration. Now, something that a lot of people get tripped up with that I find myself reaching back out and think, oh, this is actually why. Sam has his own OpenAI integration on the background. So you don't need to throw in your OpenAI integration. But maybe you do subscribe to OpenAI, and maybe you want your specific OpenAI account tied into your SAM account. This is where you could add your OpenAI API key access. Now, you have to go to openai.com, and then in your settings, there's a place for you to grab a specific API key, and you can assign it to Sam. You grab it, and then you plug it here. But what that does is it allows you to be able to communicate, but more importantly, it allows you to select some of the different models that they have. Now, the different models are essentially different processing speeds based on how much information it's computing all at once. And so this is a way in which you want to turbocharge your SAM. You already have an OpenAI account. Boom, you can throw that in there.